Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, I wanted to jump in and talk about NVIDIA. This thing is exploding. It's literally outperforming the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, and today it's up almost 5%, which might not seem like much, but from a stock that was trading all the way back last year at $154, that is now almost $700 a share. Something's going on. We're going to be breaking down what's going on, answering all those questions of should you buy it, and pretty much the best strategies for investing into some of these growth stocks that are moving and grooving. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys do, like, subscribe, do what you guys do. We're almost at 30,000 subscribers. So if you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. We break down stocks, money management, trading strategies, all that stuff. And we do have a course where we talk about my strategies and stuff like that. Check it out down below. All right, what's going on? Well, as we look at, if we go to like the 5-minute chart or a chart like that, you guys will see as we zoom out lately, this thing has exploded. It's gone from $600 all the way up to almost $700 in the matter of 1, 2, 3, 4 trading days, which is an incredible move. Today it's up, 5%. So what's going on? Why are we getting so much buying pressure involved? Well, looking at it here, you guys will see why NVIDIA stock is up today. So today we had an amazing session here because Goldman Sachs pretty much raised its price target from $625 to $800, which might not seem like a big deal. But if you're a retail investor that looks at analysts and hedge funds and you think they know everything, then you're going to be buying the stock up because right now it's $700 and analysts think it can go up to $800. So there's pretty much a heavy amount of buying pressure that gets pumped into these when we have something like that. But on top of that, as we look at some of the fundamentals here, you guys will see why we're seeing so much buying pressure. Their EPS, also known as earnings per share, is up 1,274%. Their total revenue is up 205%, near and around 18.1 billion, and it was trading at 13.5 billion was the revenue in 2024 quarter two. Now it's 18.1, which is incredible. The cash flow, which in my opinion is very, very important. The cash flow is up 1,770%. So why are we seeing so much buying pressure and so much great things involved with NVIDIA is because we're seeing amazing earnings. We're seeing earnings where this stock, you guys will see this huge gap up where it goes literally from $315 all the way up to about $400 in the matter of literally like 2 days. So that's why, because it's beating expectations and it's continuing to grow. Now, NVIDIA is an AI software company that makes computer chips, makes graphics cards, makes a variety of things. Now, there was a little issue with it where we did get a little bit of some sell-off of NVIDIA, and the reason why we had that was because pretty much the United States did block some of its chips for going into China, and that makes up about 18% of NVIDIA's revenue. So there was a lot of people getting nervous about it, causing, obviously a little bit of some sell-off here. You guys will see at that $500 mark. It wasn't much, and this thing just roared back because NVIDIA did alter some of those chips, and now, it goes without saying this thing is moving and grooving. So should you buy this stock? Should you buy it? Well, for me, I definitely think NVIDIA carries so much long-term potential, right? It's an AI play. It's a technology software play. And I believe the best strategy for investing into NVIDIA, obviously this is just my opinion, but is to dollar cost average it. Now, what that does and what that means is you're investing weekly or bi-weekly into NVIDIA. So what this does is, yes, right now you always hear buy low, sell high. So right now it's at highs. You don't hear buy high. You don't hear that. So what you do is if you start dollar cost averaging and you start buying, and let's just say NVIDIA starts selling off, right? Starts selling off all the way back down to, let's just say, almost 575, which I think is a very fair expectation if we get some sell-off here. Then what you do now is you're averaging down on this price. So now your average cost is a lot lower because you've been buying those dips. Now, once NVIDIA stock recovers, you make a lot more money. because your average cost is lower because you buy when it's selling off. Now, if NVIDIA continues to roar up, you have shares to make some money off it, but the biggest misconception with investing is stocks go up forever. You always have to look at pullbacks as opportunities to invest. I definitely think we're probably due for a little temporary consolidation or a little pullback. I think that's a very fair expectation. Something like this, where this move, went from 100 to 500, and then it just kind of consolidated here until recently where it roared up. So yeah, I think we're due for a little consolidation, if not a little sell-off. During that time, you could execute some good trades on it, or buy low if this thing starts crashing. But yeah, that's everything going on with it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.